my plants. It's going to be planted soon. Yeah, it was a really nice time in Tbilisi, and I woke up today at 4 a.m. Because yesterday I got to bed very early, so my simple, slow life already began. I already started to cook some khachapuri. I want to make today Georgian khachapuri, and also I made some lobio. It's really nice. Hot. I think I need to switch it off. And also I bought some seeds and nuts. I made the cashew milk, and now I'm drying the seeds. Also I bought some this nuts and cashew, and I bought sesame. I want to make my tahini, and some of beans, and I made a cashew milk. So yeah, the life is just going on, and now I'm drying here some of my walnuts. I like crunchy stuff, so I'm gonna dry them well. So yeah, so today I'm studying a bit, cooking a bit, and just enjoying the life. My life was never so calm and nice, so yeah, just enjoy cooking with me. I hope you will like this khachapuri recipe. It's very easy. I already made a dough yesterday, and I want to eat it with lobio. I added to my lobio a lot of greens because I want to eat a lot of greens for fiber. Actually, it's not the original recipe, but I like to invent something mine. So there is a lot of greens, spinach, and green onion, and I added some meat because I wanted meat. So unusual for me because regularly I don't eat meat. Usually it's not a thing for me to eat meat. So now I'm gonna make my khachapuri. I already made the dough. It's nice. And my suluguni cheese is ready. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna work. Now I'm going also record it on my phone. And you will have two versions, and you will be able to cook it by yourself. So I'm gonna start. You need to have a lot of oil, a lot of butter, as was said in the recipe. So yeah, and now I'm gonna make my beautiful dough. It's so amazing. I really love to work with the dough. Yeah, so let's see. I think this one is a bit too much, to be honest. Maybe I don't need that much dough. Let's see. So you need to make round shape in order to place your cheese there. I hope it's gonna work. It's my second time I'm making the khachapuri, but this time I'm making in the pan, on a pan. So I think it's gonna work, right? I like this type of khachapuri because it's not that much cheese actually. Sometimes they use two types of cheese, but I decided to use only one because otherwise it's gonna be too much, I guess. Make a beautiful round shape. Now you're gonna put your cheese here, like right in the middle. And now you need to close it. Very beautifully. I look like a professional, right? Like with my talking, but it's my first time when I'm doing this. So let's see how it's gonna work. So make a round shape again. Make sure it's round. And roll it again. Make some small dots for the air. Make round shape. Round shape, it's good. It's not a really round shape. I want to make it more rounder. That's all. Our khachapuri is ready. So just take some ghee butter, put it on your pan. And now put your khachapuri on your pan. That's all. Cover it with the let's see what's gonna happen. So some dough left. I don't know what to do with it. Let's just cover. So this, you can refrigerate this dough and use it. It's not some big amount, so you can make something from it also. I'm so dirty, but it's always happened. I don't know what to do with this. Oh, it's so beautiful. You see this beauty and my lobio. So I'm gonna put it now and just cover it. So I'm waiting for my khachapuri. Lobio is already ready. That's all. It's ready. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Use a lot of butter on the top. So yeah, I'm gonna try it now. I feel so happy. Let's go. We don't need to wait much because it's gonna be cold. First khachapuri. This is very nice. I love you. This is wonderful. Mm.